11?
Sorry?
You always stir your coffee 11 times?
You counted. Why?
Because.
Does it matter?
No.
It helps bring out the flavor.
Okay.
You seem unconvinced.
It just seems excessive.
How's school?
Shit.
New friends?
Don't really talk too much. I see some girls outside of my classes, but I'd rather not have them see me outside of school.
Why not?
I don't really like them. I have to tell you something. This is gonna sound ridiculous, but do you believe in everyday recurrences? There's these numbers I keep seeing, 11 being one of them. They're like codes hidden in plain sight. I'm being guided towards something, some place, another world maybe, but I can't tell. It's like I've seen them in a dream, but a half-forgotten one.
Hannah, do you believe you may feel trapped by this school, your inability to make friends, so much so that maybe you've created your own world to belong to?
You don't believe me?
No, I do. I do believe you, okay? I'm just trying to understand.
Look.
So, have you heard anything about Hannah? I haven't seen her in a few days now.
She ran away from home.
What? Ran away?
That's what they're saying on the telly.
She got sick of living in this town. She never fit in.
She couldn't have ran away.
How do you know that?
If she did, why wouldn't she tell me?
Why would she? Maybe she didn't like you.
I cared about her.
Right.
No. As her counselor, Zoe.
Where'd you get this?
What?
This is Hannah's.
She gave it to me.
Can I leave?
She ran away? Subliminal codes hidden in plain sight. The numbers, can they take me to her? She could have gone to a new town, a place she could really call home. But the numbers, they relate to something bigger, something larger than life perhaps. Hannah could have been taken. She could have been kidnapped for what she knew, what she discovered. Hear me out, okay? There are secret codes that are used to lock away top secret information. Stuff not meant for other people to see. Hannah must have seen something that she shouldn't have.
Okay.
I'm freaking you out.
No, I just don't understand the point in making up far-fetched theories about Hannah's whereabouts. It's been weeks. Her parents have already given up the search. And obsessing over her disappearance doesn't help with rumors.
Rumors?
I've said too much.
What rumors?
Well, some people think that you and Hannah had, an inappropriate relationship.
That's a lie.
Some think you killed her.
Casey!
I know, it's crazy. But most people think you're just weird. Let it go. She's gone.
You don't believe me?
No.
Look.
I just lost something.
Okay, well, Nate, the police is in my office. They want to have a chat with you, so if you could pass by, it'd be great.